This is PAX TV, and the day begins. Heavy eyes, tired mind, but the world won't wait this time. He wakes up. Allowance check.
Kaya pa to.
Empty wallet. Familiar game. Eat today or survive the day.
So yun po ano? Yung araw, pasok na naman tayo. Nagpapasakay pa dito, boss? Ha? Nagpapasakay pa dito?
Yan sa unahan.
Sa unahan po. Sige po. Salamat. Ay, walang bus. Aray ko.
Morning ride, too tight. You end up waiting almost 30 minutes, depending on how many are out on the road. This is where your patience really gets tested.
Bait. Ito na lang, de. Pwede na to. Kahit bukas na lang tayo yung bayad.
Hindi mo gusto magbayad ng iba.
I want you just the way you are.
Yo, what's up? Ngayong araw, gumagawa kami ng project sa IoT at ito yung gawa ng isang klase ko. Sound check natin. Tay, tara tay, kaya muna tayo tay. Ako yung nagugutom na. Doon tayo kinanay. Kasi mura na at higit sa lahat, masarap ang luto ni nanay. Hey! Dito lang kayo, bumisita sa... Anong pangalan to? Rentalog menu. Dito lang yan sa may harap ng truck. Gusto lang i-promote kasi napakamura at napakasarap. Unang gagat sa luto ni nanay. Ang sarap!
Nanai's store helped students through its affordable meals. And of course, the food was so delicious. Even though the food was simple, it provided comfort, energy, and moments of laughter with friends.
Mga hindi pwede kainin kay nanay. Tanungin mo si nanay kung ano mga hindi pwedeng kainin.
Tinatanong niya kung ano daw yung mga bagay na hindi pwedeng kainin dito.
Wala ako juice, libre yan.
Water jug. Bell. Upuan. Plastic bottle. Toothpick. Rararararararara. Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Hindi ka naligo?
Sabihin ko bang hindi?
Naligo hindi?
Naligo ako.
Naligo ka?
Third year, the stage where you realize that the closer you get to your dream, the harder the challenges become. And then there's Thesis Ka Capstone, a project that doesn't only test our knowledge, but also our patience.
Time check. 4:51. Naghihintay kami para mapirmahan ang aming papers. Ganito pala kahirap. Ano eh? Kaya to.
Kagat mga mukha.
Sir. Ayan guys, busy kami sa paggawa ng title. Ayan o.
Teamwork, dedication, and faith. There were nights without sleep, days filled with pressure, deadlines that never seemed to end. Sometimes we felt lost. Sometimes we wanted to quit. But despite everything, we kept going.
So ngayong araw is our title defense and dito na malalaman kung makakapag 4th year ba kami or 3rd year ulit. And time check 6 and title defense namin mamaya pang 4 ay mamaya pang 4 8 o'clock mamaya pang 8. So yeah, bibihis na ako and tinapos-tapos lang namin yung papel. Let's go. Balitaan ko na lang kayo kapag defended.